Hello everyone, today I'm going to divide this problem using synthetic division. First, this x plus 3, we're going to transpose this. So x plus 3 is going to x minus 3. So here is this. Magiging negative 3 siya, tapos kunin lang natin yung number ng mga neto. So itong x, may invisible 1 yan. Yan, tapos i-arrange pala natin from lowest to highest. So uunahin natin yung negative 3, then negative 9, and positive 27. Yan. Ngayon, bibring down natin yung 1. This 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. And negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 6. So, ulit lang. Negative 6 times negative 3, positive 18. So, negative 9 plus 18 is 9. So, 9 times negative 3, negative 27. So, 0. Ito yung reminder natin. Reminder. So, dito naman, kukunin lang natin, pero gagawin na natin x yan. Dito minus lang tayo ng isa, 6 negative 6 and itong 9 ay negative 6x, then positive 9. So ito na yung sagot natin sa synthetic division.